Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. Today, I bring you the Apple Card, Apple's credit card released in August of 2019. Let's take a look at it. Open it up. Oh wow, that's dirty packaging. Okay. And here we have it. Oh wow, it opens up. So pristine white packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up. And open up. And here it is. All right. Oh man, that's really good looking. So in order to activate the card, you're gonna have to hold your iPhone by the packaging, just like that. Activate. It says your card is ready. And we're good to go. Look at that. This is what I was trying to tell you guys. So my card is completely white, I guess because it hasn't been used. But whatchamacallit, I believe that once you start using it, it starts filling in with color gradients. Like it'll light up orange, yellow, or even red, I'm guessing. And I'm gonna guess that the closer red you get, the less you should probably use your credit card. And in the wallet app itself, you would be able to see, your balance, your total, your weekly activity. And again, it'll actually suggest to you how much you should pay in order to avoid paying interest on your things. And again, this is where you would look up your information if you wanted to shop online or anything like that. And again, this is you get presented a nice little pie chart of how much you owe, your credit, and your balance. Yeah. So the card itself is really clean, with only your name laser engraved on the front, along with the Apple logo and the chip. It is completely matte white, except for the chip and the little Apple logo, which are a little reflective and shiny. And if we flip it around the back, same thing, completely matte, except for the logo. So we get a Goldman Sachs and the MasterCard logo, along with our magnetic strip. No numbers, no CVV code, nothing else. It's exactly the normal size and thickness of a regular credit card. It fits in your wallet just like any other card would, except that it's made out of titanium. And it definitely has some nice weight to it. It feels very, very solid. I'm just worried about how it's gonna hold up because of how white it is, pretty much. This color is notorious for getting dirty and showing smudges right away. So it'll be interesting to see how it holds up.